Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to We Used to Know. It's a song of Jethro and this is our first time listen to it.
Whenever I get to feel this way, hard to find new words to say. I think about the bad old days we used to know. Nights of winter turn me cold. Fears of dying, getting old. We ran the race was won by running slowly. Could be soon we'll cease to sound. Slowly upstairs, faster down, then to revisit stony grounds we used to know. Remembering mornings shilling spent, made no sense to leave the bed. The bad old days, they came and went, giving way to fruitful years. Birds in hand, while in the bush the others land. Take what we can before the man says it's time to go. Each to his own way, I'll go mine. Best of luck with what you find, but for your own sake remember times we used to know.
Oh, musically this was rich and wonderful. We usually associate Jethro Tull with the flute.
Yeah.
So here we saw that there are other members.
We often ignore the rest.
There are other members in this band too, not just Ian Anderson, who's playing the flute and singing as well.
Yeah.
And here in the first verse, when that yesterday the word came, the flute started almost immediately after that, which leads me to believe that maybe someone else is playing the flute in the band certain times, or at least during studio recordings.
Okay.
Because it happened almost as soon as he sang that word, it started playing. So it was very quick if he did it himself.
That's like
And
even in the
the second verse,
post-production editing they do.
second verse, it was a little bit delayed. There was no flute actually; it was the guitar in the second verse. After the second verse, This was beautiful. It showed that there are other members in the band too. We do hear the drums, we do hear the guitars, but it's not so prominent and dominant as in here. And what skilled guitar work in this one. So for me, this showed the diversity of Jethro Tull, which was otherwise lacking in most other songs of theirs, where the vocalist dominates with the flute as well as the vocals.
Yeah. And he writes the songs. What is that? How many roles are you going to play? He wrote this song.
Yeah, I talked about it when we reacted to Urahi basically. How much the dominant roles of the lead vocalist in these bands of 60s,
for
70s,
sure.
80s. This is another example of it, and thankfully this song, the guitarist decided, yes, even I exist.
I exist here.
I exist.
For sure, I like it. I think some of the reference that were made here in this song, we used to know. Some things can be relatable to someone who's not from the UK, I would say, and some things are there for people of that area or that zone to know, because shillings spent made no sense to leave the bed and things like that. He's talking about some hard times that they had sometime in the past. Maybe it's a reflection of some of the struggles that people have had to go through, and which time, which era, I wouldn't know. But in general, he's talking about that remember and moving forward the hard times that we have all been through. Yeah. And how we won the race by going slowly.
For a change, it would have been nice if one of the other members wrote the song too.
Yeah, it's written by Ian Anderson. That's what is.
It's usually
so,
written by him. We've seen the names so many times now.
Yeah.
That's it for this one. Goodbye.